Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be learning how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial by long division method. So let's see some of the examples. If we have to divide x square plus 5x plus 6 by your x plus 2, we have taken one of the polynomial as your x square plus 5x plus 6, this is the dividend, and we have to divide this by your x plus 2, which is your divisor. So what we will be doing is, first of all, we will be arranging the dividend and divisor in the descending order of your degree. Here the degree of x square is 2, degree of 5x is 1, degree of 6 is your 0. So it is already arranged in the descending order of the degree. And similarly, if we are going to see x plus 2, it is even arranged in the descending order of the degree. So when we will be dividing it, how we will be doing that? Let's understand. First of all, we will write x square plus 5x plus 6. This is a dividend. We have written it over here. X plus 2 is the divisor. So we will be writing it over here, x plus 2. First of all, we will be taking the first term of divisor and first term of the dividend. We will be dividing the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. So x square, if we are going to divide x square by your x, what we will be getting is your x. The result will be your x. So what we will be doing is, we will be writing in the quotient x. Now x will be multiplied by your x plus 2. X will be multiplied by whole your divisor, that is your x plus 2. So x will be multiplied by your x plus 2. When we will multiply x with your x plus 2, we will be getting x multiplied by x will be your x square. X multiplied by 2 will be your 2x. So we will be writing x square plus 2x. Now we will be subtracting it. So we are subtracting it. We have changed the sign. X square positive, x square negative, both are going to cancel. It is your 5x. It is your minus of 2x. 5x minus 2x will be your 3x plus 6 we will be taking as it is. Now again we will be dividing the first term of the dividend by your first term of your divisor. So if we will be dividing your 3x by your x, we will be getting your 3. The quotient will be 3. So we will be writing here plus 3. Now 3 will be multiplied by your whole of the divisor, that is your x plus 2. So 3 multiplied by your x plus 2. If we will multiply these two, it will be 3 multiplied by x will be your 3x and 3 multiplied by 2 will be your 6. So we will be writing 3x plus 6. Now we will be subtracting it. So we will change the sign. 3x positive, 3x negative, both are going to cancel. Plus 6 minus 6, both are going to cancel. So your remainder will be your 0. And we know that dividend is equivalent to divisor multiplied by quotient plus your remainder. This is true for each and every condition. So here dividend is your x square plus 5x plus 6. Divisor is your x plus 2. Quotient is your x plus 3 and remainder is your 0. So if we are going to keep the values in RHS, so let's check whether it is coming equivalent to your LHS or not. So divisor is your x plus 2. Quotient is your x plus 3. Remainder is 0, so we are just ignoring it. X multiplied by x will be your x square. X multiplied by 3 will be your 3x. 2 multiplied by x will be 2x and 2 multiplied by 3 will be your 6. So it will be your x square plus 3x plus 5x will be your 3x plus 2x will be your 5x plus of 6. So this is your dividend. This is equivalent to your dividend. So we can say that dividend is equivalent to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Let's see another example. Here the dividend is your 6x square plus x minus 15 and divisor is your 2x minus 3. Over here again we can see that your dividend and divisor is automatically, it is arranged in the descending order of the degree. If it is not arranged, first of all we will be arranging both of them, dividend even and divisor even, in the descending order of the degree. Now what we will be doing is, we will be taking the first term of your dividend and we will be taking the first term of the divisor. We will be dividing it. First of all we will be writing it like this. Here your divisor 2x minus 3. Here the dividend 6x square plus x minus of 15. First term of the dividend is your 6x square. First term of the divisor is your 2x. If we will be dividing it, 2 3s are 6 and x square divided by x will be your x. So it will be your 3x. Quotient is your 3x. Now this 3x will be multiplied by a whole of the divisor, that is your 3x multiplied by your 2x minus 3. 3x multiplied by 2x will be your 6x square. 3x multiplied by minus of 3 will be minus of 9x. Now we will be writing here 6x square minus of 9x. We will be subtracting it, so sign is going to change. This positive will change to negative, this negative will change to positive. Plus 6x square minus 6x square going to cancel. Plus x plus 9x will be plus of 10x. Minus 15 we will write as it is. Now the first term of the dividend is your 10x and first term of your divisor is 2x. If we will divide these two, x and x going to cancel 2 5 times. So it will be your 5. So in the quotient we will be writing plus 5. Now this 5 will be multiplied by your divisor, that is 2x minus 3. If we will multiply these two, 5 multiplied by 2x will be your 10x. 5 multiplied by minus 3 will be minus of 15. So it will be your 10x minus of 15. Again we will be subtracting this, so sign will change. This positive 10x will change to negative. This negative 15 will change to positive. Plus 10x minus 10x going to cancel. Minus 15 plus 15 going to cancel. And the remainder will be your 0. It is not always compulsory that the remainder will be 0. But in this case, your remainder is coming equivalent to your 0. So again, we can check whether your quotient and divisor multiplying, if we are going to multiply these two, whether it is coming equivalent to your dividend or not. So we have taken the RHS part over here again. Divisor is your 2x minus 3 and quotient is your 3x plus 5. If we will multiply these two, 2x will be multiplied by your 3x plus 5 minus 3 will be multiplied by your 3x plus 5. 2x into 3x will be your 6x square. 2x multiplied by 5 will be 5 2s are 10x. Minus 3 multiplied by 3x will be minus of 9x. Minus 3 multiplied by plus 5 will be minus of 15. So it will be 6x square plus 10x minus 9x will be plus of x minus of 15, and it is equivalent to your dividend. So whensoever your remainder, the degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of your divisor, in that case we will stop dividing it further and that will be your remainder. So this is how we will come to know when your division is going to be stopped and when your division is complete. At that time, when your degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of your divisor, in that case your further division is not possible. If it is coming equivalent to 0, then it's okay, and if it is not coming equivalent to 0, suppose over here instead of 0 it is coming 3. Now the degree of this 3 is your 0, because 3 could be written as 3x raised to the power 0. That means degree is 0 over here and degree of the divisor is your 1. So the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. In that case, we will stop further division and this will be your remainder. This is how we can divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Hope it is clear to you. Thank you.